In this lecture, we're gonna look at the tool Instant 2D. So let's go to the Sketch tab and let's create a new sketch on the front plane. Let's start with a line at the origin. Let's make a vertical line like this. Let's put some dimension. Let's make this dimension 60 millimeters like this. And now, for example, if we want to change the dimension of this line, we have to double click here. We have to put it here, I don't know, 65, hit enter, and this is it. So you have a big sketch and you have to change the dimensions of a lot of lines. You can just click here, Instant 2D. And now with only one click here, left click on the dimension, you can change it. 55, enter. Click again, 20, enter. Click again, 100, enter. And this is how you can change much faster the dimension of your sketch. Or you can click here on this arrow like this, and you can drag this point here, as you can see. You can drag it, and now you have some kind of a ruler on the left side. And now you can see how it's changing the dimension if you're dragging this up and down. If you want to jump to some dimension, then you can go with your mouse here on the ruler, and now you can see the arrows there. And now you can see how you're jumping for 1 millimeters. Now, for example, you want 96 millimeters, and you just release your mouse like this, and you have 96 millimeters. If you're not satisfied, you can just click here and go to 95 and hit an enter. So Instant 2D can also save your time and you have a big sketch.